Once you have JMP installed, you can go to the new user welcome kit by clicking on this link. That will take you to the SaaS web page. You want to scroll down to new user welcome kit. Click on that. It will ask you for registration information. Once you have that filled out, click submit. Enter your name here. And then click start. Then you'll see a series of videos and exercises. You can see the menu over here. First, launch basic parts of JMP. When you click on that, it will play a video and then have you do some things. And then when this is check marked off, that means you're done with first launch. And then you go to importing, data prep, graphs, analyze, share. This is all important stuff that if you can do, you will be better off in this class. So work through all these things, get familiar with JMP, how to import data and data prep and all the things that are done in here, and follow along as you go.